हेलो एवरीवन, वी आर बैक होम इन कराची और ये व्लॉग शुरू हो रहा है एक थर्सडे को। आई फॉरगॉटन कि क्या दिन है। सो घर आए, मैंने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो सॉर्ट आउट कर ली हैं। आई सॉर्टेड आउट माई सूटकेस, आई सॉर्टेड आउट लॉन्ड्री लगा दी, बहुत सारी बाकी है, डोंट आस्क अबाउट दैट। बट आई एम मोस्ट एक्साइटेड अबाउट वर्किंग ऑन माई लाइक वर्क, बेसिकली जो मेरा अब खुद का काम है एंड आई नो लॉन्गर हैव अ जॉब, सो दिस इज़ माई जॉब, कंटेंट क्रिएशन एंड बीइंग मोर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड विद दैट। तो आज मैं सुबह उठी बड़ी टेंशन में कि भाई कुछ भी सॉर्टेड नहीं है, कैसे होगा, कुछ नहीं पता क्या करना है। बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिमाग में हैं जो कि मुझे डिलीवर करनी है, डेडलाइंस हैं, बट आई डोंट नो कि कब है क्या है, क्योंकि जॉब में ना काफ़ी स्ट्रक्चर होता है। आपका बॉस होता है, आपको बोलता है कि ये करना है, ये करना है, ये इस तरह से लिस्ट बना लें। यहाँ पे यू हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग योरसेल्फ, सो दिस इज़ ऑब्वियसली गोइंग टू बी अ लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस। तो आज मैंने सोचा कि टुडे इज़ गोइंग टू बी एन एडमिन डे। आई विल बी sort of figuring out and making lists के आज करना है क्या। सो आई रिमेंबर मुझे हमना रज़ा ने एक प्लानर भेजा था एंड उस प्लानर के अंदर ना पूरे दिन जो हैं उसके हिसाब से लिखे हुए थे, लिमिटी प्लानर, एंड आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ नाउ यूजिंग दिस एंड सॉर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड विद व्हाट आई वांट टू डू। सो यहाँ पे लाइक मंडे ट्यूसडे वगैरह सारे दिन लिखे हुए हैं, टास्क हैं। सो आई थिंक आई एम गोना स्टार्ट विद दैट बिकॉज इट्स ऑलवेज़ गुड टू लाइक write down your task list so you know कि किस दिन क्या चीज़ हो सकती है, and then you can sort of like see कि what's working for you, what's not working for you. So hopefully very soon हम एक ऑफिस पे काम शुरू करेंगे which is going to be obviously in the house but like a spare room which will sort of work as an office where Numan and I can work out of, क्योंकि नुमान का भी बहुत सारा सामान होता है जो कि वो मुझसे लेते रहते हैं, like my pens, he takes my pens, he never gives them back. He takes my notebook, he never gives it back. So then we'll sort of get him a proper notebook and a pen so he doesn't have to take mine. Is that a good idea?
To get me a notebook.
Yeah, I'll get your notebook and I'll also get your pen.
I just got your notebook, it's pretty new.
And he took my pen, yeah, which I need back. I need a pen. Oh wait, I think I might have some extra pens, so you can keep that one. तो अभी ये है और नुमान जो है वो सॉल्ट बे बन के बैठे हुए हैं। Look there. But the main reason why I picked up the camera is wanted to show you a few lawn outfits जो कि मैंने ख़रीदे थे unstitched from Zaha. So let me just show those to you. जी देखिए, ये है पहला. This is what it looks like. और I've sort of laid it out. Basically ये middle part है, ये इसके sides हैं. Then I think ये जो है ये back का वो है piece. This is the dupatta. We have the trouser, that's the back. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I think it's gonna look really good once it's stitched. So I'm thinking कि इसी तरह से सिलवा लेते हैं, इसको ज़्यादा मगज़मारी नहीं करनी चाहिए, and just get it stitched like this. Next ये pink वाला है which is fully embroidered. तो ये जो है ये इसका middle है, ये इसके side panels, एक panel ये रखा हुआ है, I didn't spread it out. Those are the sleeves. दुपट्टा ये थिंक ये पीछे की नेक का कपड़ा है, ये ट्राउज़र है, एंड आई लव द कलर, लाइक आई थिंक द कलर इज़ सो लवली. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इन फॉर दिस सीजन. ऑल्सो आई रियली वांटेड टू गेट द फरा तालिब अजीज़ वाली लॉन, बट आई वेंट ऑनलाइन. आई थिंक 11 बजे लाइव हो रही थी, मैं 11:04 पे ऑन वेबसाइट पे गई हूँ एंड आई वॉज कम्प्लीटली सोल्ड आउट. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ दैट हैपेंड, बट apparently it was completely sold out, and I went to other places like जब मैं गई थी lawn shopping with my mom for Eid, तो कहीं पे किसी के पास नहीं थी. Everything was sold out, so that is a little strange. Okay, this is the last Zaha one. ये है yellow and this is the picture. So basically stitch होने के बाद कुछ इस तरह का ये दिखेगा. ये बीच का पार्ट है ना, I'm guessing ये जो पैनल है, this one will go in the front, this one will go at the back, like the embroidery उस साइड पे भी है. Then we have the back which is fully embroidered. फिर एक उन्होंने पट्टी सी दी, I'm not sure where this will go. This is the trouser, plain white. I honestly find plain white trousers so boring. I wish इसका कुछ interesting होता है, इसका भी like something interesting, because I feel like white, like plain trousers are just so boring. And ये है इसका दुपट्टा. These are all cotton dupattas. There is no silk, which is good क्योंकि I think गर्मियों के लिए that's the best. Hold on, what? Swiss voile actually. It's not lawn, it's Swiss voile. So basically बहुत breathable जो है वो कपड़ा है ये. And yeah, I have one more. This was actually a gift from my mom. फॉर ईद आई थिंक ये है कलमकार का. ऑलरेडी एक्साइटेड टू गेट द स्टिच. आई एम नॉट श्योर कि ये लॉन है क्या है. सो दिस इज़ द पिक्चर. इसमें इकरा अजीज़ हैं और शी इज़ आई थिंक माई हाइट. सो उनकी पूरी फुल लेंथ पे लाइक शी इज़ वेयरिंग फुल लेंथ शर्ट. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ आई एम गोना गेट इट स्टिच्ड लाइक दैट बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली ये बहुत लंबा है. तो आई थिंक ऊपर से थोड़ा सा हमें काटना पड़ेगा टू फिट माई लेंथ. अगर हमें ये 2 पीसेस भी नीचे फिट करने हैं जैसे ये दामन में हुए हैं. दैन ये हमारा दुपट्टा है, ये नेट पे है. आई एम नॉट अ क्रेजी फैन ऑफ नेट दुपट्टाज बट क्योंकि ईद का आउटफिट आई थिंक वी कैन मेक इट वर्क. दैट इज़ द बैक. सो आई जस्ट टेकन अ शावर एंड मुझे ये आई थी सटोसा की लेज़र हेयर रिमूवल ट्रीटमेंट फ्रॉम सटोसा एंड आई एम गोना ट्राई इट आउट. दिस इज़ द यूज़र मैनुअल और इसको पढ़ते हुए आई प्लग्ड इट इन. This is the light. Once you plug in ये blink होती है. Keep pressing it. It's on. और ये जो lights हैं this shows कि frequency क्या है. मैंने अब मैनुअल पे देखा है कि you can best results is frequency 5. So I'm gonna start with 3 and we're gonna work my way up. So basically अभी 3 frequency पे है and I'm just gonna laser my hands. Basically मैंने shave कर लिया है और अब मैं Okay, I'm done on this hand. Honestly, it doesn't hurt at all. It doesn't really feel much. और अच्छे results के लिए I have to do this twice a week. So this was my first time in this week. और अब मैं follow up करूँगी after like 4 days. So yeah, let me just get back to you. एक ये हाथ करने के बाद बात करते हैं. Wow. So I am just gonna be filming a video. और 2 videos मुझे film करनी है. एक मुझे intro film करनी है for my shoe collection. I hope you guys have seen it. And the next video is for a campaign. So I've just put on my lenses. As you guys know कि मुझे एक eye infection हो गया था. I've been using some eye drops और मैंने अपने lenses change किए हैं. I'm using the AccuV Oasis and this was recommended by the optician कि आप ये वाला solution लें because it's apparently very good for dry eyes. And this is the aloe vera Avizor company ka. So I'm just using that and it's really gentle. Like it. If you have sensitive or dry eyes, you can research into getting this. इतना सैड सीन हुआ है ना कि मेरे पास इतने सारे एंड्रिकन की कलेक्शन के इतने अच्छे lenses हैं. Jesse Savannah, I want to use this. Then I want to use Dust Storm. Then we have 24K Coffee और एक ये है Sand Dune, but I can't use these because of the infection. I'm just waiting for my eye to completely heal so I can start using contact, like colored contacts. I do have a discount code for these. इतने मज़े के lens shades हैं, like they really look good, and I can't wear them because of this stupid infection. This is my discount code, Anushe. If you want to check it out, you can use my go-to. Actually, I'm going to use this, my Clinique का foundation. I feel like I haven't used this one for a while. और ये shade है Alabaster. Beyond Perfecting Foundation है. Basically, this is a foundation and a concealer. So, let's try.
I stayed up and watched you till late night. Hello, 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 Leah. Hello, 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 Leah. Hello, 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 Leah.
This lens is really not the lens for a close-up shot. Not gonna lie, but I am done with my makeup and I like it. I've slightly overdrawn the lip. So I'm all ready to leave. Makeup is done, video is filmed, changed my outfit. This is what I'm wearing. I got this kurta from Generation and this is from Minahil Hussain, this shawl. So that's the look. Let's go.
Hello.
What's up, Bubs? Do you want to give any words of wisdom to the viewers?
I mean, I'll send this video to somebody I know, so they'll see it. It's my words of wisdom. I actually don't have anything to say at the time being. I'm just really sad.
Why? Because your exams are...
Yeah, my exams got postponed after 15th May और अब सोचते हुए दुख हो रहा है कि मतलब कब होंगे.
Bubs, are you excited for Ramzan?
Yes.
Do you remember Ramzan vlogs?
Oh my god, this is gonna be such a pain because like exam मतलब रमज़ान में वैसे exams होना ही थे, but अब पढ़ना है, which is also gonna be really tiring.
Yeah, Ramzan Parna is gonna be tough. What are you getting me for my birthday?
I haven't told you anything.
My birthday is coming.
You're not gonna be here on your birthday.
I am.
Oh wait, your birthday's 2 months away. Chill out.
Where are the babies?
You don't give me Eid and I don't give you a gift and हम दोनों की तरफ से एक दूसरे को ना.
Oh, who is that? Intruder. Hello. Hello. Hello, 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 hello.
You've been ignored.
Oh, dearies. Hello, little baby. Where'd she go? Wait, what? Oh, douchies. Oh, it's a he. Wait. Hello. Hello. Get it.
PHROG.
Oh my god, that's a frog. Wild times. Don't you think so? Don't you think so, baby?
Face the camera at me.
Hello. Ooh, you shoot the intruder? Are you mad? Are you mad, little one? Are you mad? Are you mad? Tell me. Tell me. Come on. Oh, you like the face rub. Don't you? Don't you? Oi.
Damn, that's pretty low.
ऐसे नीचे जाता है जब उसको रब करता है. Did you like it? Was it comforting? Was it comforting? Was it?
Why is it like in my face? Get it away from me.
Why are you in my face?
I literally just came and stood here.
Hello, आज है Wednesday and it is a busy day today. I am ready because I have to take a couple of pictures and then I can see the sabzi wala is here. और क्या सीन है आज? बेसिकली हम जा रहे हैं ट्रिप पे और बहुत देर में हम लोग ने हर चीज़ फाइनलाइज़ की बिकॉज ऑफ द सिचुएशन इन पंजाब के यहाँ पे कोविड केसेस एकदम से कुछ ज़्यादा बढ़ गए थे. सो वी डिसाइडेड टू कैंसिल द ट्रिप बट देन काफ़ी रीअश्योरेंसेस के बाद वी आर गोइंग ऑन द ट्रिप. सो वी आर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड एट ऑल. मतलब मैंने कुछ भी पैक नहीं किया है. वी एक्चुअली फर्स्ट डिसाइडेड कि हम इस्लामाबाद में रुकेंगे बट वी आर नॉट गोना बी स्टेइंग इन इस्लामाबाद एट ऑल. वी आर जस्ट गोना बी लीविंग एज सून एज वी अराइव बिकॉज वी वांट टू अवॉइड द एरियाज जहाँ पे केसेस हैं. एंड या दैट्स द थिंग. ओह माय गॉड, आज बहुत गर्मी है गाइज. आई थिंक टुडे इज़ मोर देन 40 डिग्रीज इन कराची. आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू गो इन अ क्लाइमेट जहाँ पे इतनी गर्मी नहीं है. लाइक आई रियली वांट टू गो देयर. तो या मैंने कुछ भी पैक नहीं किया है. देयर इज़ सो मच दैट आई नीड टू डू स्टिल and I haven't done anything. There's so many deadlines that I need to finish before leaving and I haven't done anything. I mean, I've done a lot of things but a lot of things are pending. So today is going to be a busy day, tomorrow is going to be a super busy day. Yeah, that's the update, I guess. Catching up. Yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Like anything?
Not. I mean, we haven't really gone around yet. I don't know.
Okay. I'm choosing comfort today because why not? Guys, Generation was super successful. We got a lot of stuff. We each found something we really liked.
Yep.
Yay! Guys, front cam, we're in Khadi. And as always, यहाँ पे ना filming पे थोड़ी सी वो होती है, like don't film. So, front cam. Here's Bubs.
Hello.
Bubs, did you like anything so far?
I like the pants.
But they're not in your size.
Nope. Where else can you find pants like those?
I guess outfitters maybe.
We will go there to look for
This
pants.
angle. Can you hear us?
I hope so.
Guys, we're all done shopping. Got some really nice things. From a number of shops. I'll show them to you when we get home. Ab hum le rahe hain Cinnabon.
Yeah.
That is our tradition. So yeah, let's go. Cinnabon. It's so bad for you, but it tastes so good. समझ में नहीं आता why all things that taste so bad, I mean that they're so bad are so good. Why is this? So I'm gonna show you what I got. I feel like we haven't done like a proper haul in this room, and I feel like doing one because I bought some nice stuff. There's some really nice things in store at the moment. So मैंने सोचा कि before going I want to show these because I want to do like a proper styling video on YouTube, but उस वक्त तक पता नहीं क्या चीज़ें stock में हों. So I'm pretty sure when you see this vlog, a lot of these pieces will be in stock, so you will be able to get them. Let's go. So this is the first outfit, and I'm vlogging on my 30mm lens, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be clear, but maybe a little shaky, so no mind. So this is the first outfit. ये मैंने लिया था Ethnic से, and I'm not sure कि अगर इसमें बहुत like stock available होगा because ये सिर्फ small size में available था, and I wear an extra small, so it's a little like you can see the shoulders and they're coming all the way up to here, but that's okay because I really liked how it looked. I just feel like इसकी embroidery बहुत अच्छी हुई थी, and it's like a very classic piece. So I decided to get it, and it's so soft, so comfy. Or I was thinking कि इसके नीचे tulip pants would look so good. Okay, next up, ये outfit है Beach Tree से, and honestly I was so skeptical about this कि ये मुझे fit नहीं आएगा because Beach Tree की fitting is absolutely not according to my body size. So this is a size 8 and it's a little big. Like आप देख सकते हैं कि मेरी like यहाँ पे sleeves आ रही हैं, but it's workable. It's not too bad. Like इतना loose नहीं है. I feel like this is possible 8 for me. And I like it. I feel like कि ये color मेरे पास नहीं है. It's a very beautiful coral color with this white embroidery, and I feel like white embroidery is so in these days. Like wherever I went, I was seeing white embroidery. And again, I can pair these with like fitted sort of trousers, or I could pair this with like tulip pants. Looks lovely. Absolutely loving the color of this. इसकी neck detailing भी बहुत अच्छी है. It has like button holes, and यहाँ पे भी like we have the same detailing. Outfit is this 3-piece from Generation. Trousers, top, which is embroidered, or पूरी like sleeves पे भी embroidery है, and it also comes with this dupatta. Okay, now I'm confused. My mom said कि ये gift है मेरे लिए for my birthday, so I might wear it as a birthday gift, but I'm not sure where I'm gonna go wearing this on my birthday क्योंकि थोड़ा fancy है. I could also wear this on Eid, so I'm not sure. TBH is a PR package that was sent to me by Amara Khan, and it's so beautiful. It's like this net chicken I think sort of kapda जिस पे we have a lot of lace detailing, और एक ये शलवार है इसके साथ like straight sort of shalwar, and this dupatta. So yeah, can't wait to style this outfit. Oh, it's lovely. So that was the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to give this vlog to you guys ताकि आप लोग आप लोगों ने जो प्रेशर मुझ पे डाल दिया है वो थोड़ा सा मैं उस पर डिलीवर कर सकूं कि क्योंकि अब यही काम धंधा है तो यही करेंगे. But I will be traveling up north, and we will be back in a week and a half, probably a week. So there's gonna be travel content for you guys. Guess in the description. Guess in the comments down below हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं. This is an area that I've never been to, so I think it's a pretty easy guess. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, share this vlog because obviously that gives me a lot of motivation when new people come and watch my channel. So that's the thing. Bye.